Hey everyone, it's Kyler here at RHRSwag coming to show you how to install your Putco grab handle. What you should have is your 4 square nuts, 4 Allen head screws, Allen wrench, and your TEC rack grab handle. Now you want to place your grab handle wherever you see fit. As you can see in this picture, you can also place your grab handle on the side of the rack as shown. Next, you want to insert each of the square nuts into the T-slot channel. Now, it's time to insert each of your screws and tighten them into the square nuts as shown. Isn't Kenny awesome? And like always, you want to make sure each screw is tightly secured. Thanks everyone for tuning in with us today on the quick and easy Putco grab handle install. If you enjoyed it, give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome content. Also, be sure to check out more products at rhrswag.com.